Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to create SVG files in Canva. So let's just begin. Alright, so to create the SVG files in Canva, first of all you need to log in into your Canva account, and after that what you need to do, you can simply go here in social media or anything else just to pick up the size of the SVG. You can pick any from here. Okay, so I'll simply go here with the Instagram post square. So let's click here. So from here, we can simply design the SVG. Okay, so to create the SVG, let's just go inside the elements. So for example, I want to create the SVG for the friendship day. Okay, so let's just search for the friends here first. And let's just go inside the graphics. Okay, so you can see here, we have a bunch of the different options here. Okay, so let's just go here with this one. I really like this one. And what I need to do, I have to increase the size of our element here. Okay, so this is looking really fine here, and I have to position this to the top. Now what I need to do, I can simply look for the text here. Okay, so let's just go here with this one here. All right, so what I need to do, I have to change the color of the text here. So that would be the black color, and I have to remove this one. So let's resize this. We have to decrease the size of our element a bit here. And now what we can do here, let's just write down happy friendship here or something else or whatever you want to write here. Let's just decrease the size of our font here. All right, so now what we need to do, let's just put this into a single line here. Okay, so let's just align this into the center first. Now let's just align our text into the center. Okay, so I think I have to increase the size of it. Now this is looking fine. And now what we can do, we can add more elements to our SVG here. So let's go inside the elements and try to look for something here. So we can put this here as well if we want to. So let's just put it here, resize this, and let's just change the position of it. Okay, so this is looking fine now, and we can also change the color from here as well. Okay, so we can simply change the color from here. And what we need to do here, all right, so you can also go with this graphics here. I think this is looking great. Let me just remove this one from here and put it here. Let's just put this here, increase the size maybe, or we can put this into the center. Okay, so now this is looking fine. Change the color of our element here, though that can be the red color. Okay, or we can go here with this coral red color. All right, and we can also change the color of our friends element here. So this can be a red color as well, but I think the black color was looking fine. Okay, and we can also put a black color here, and we can also change the color of this element into the black. Okay, so let's just change the color of each element here. All right, so now you can see here this is looking fine. Let's just position it here. Now this is looking really great here. So this is how we can create the SVG. So let's try to create another SVG here so we can have the better idea of how we can create this. Okay, so here we will be creating the SVG for Mother's Day. Okay, so let's just write down the mother here in the element first. Mother and the baby. Okay, so I think I really like this element here. So let's just select this, and this is looking really great here. So let's change the size of it, maybe bigger than that. Okay, so now let's just align this into the center. Okay, so now let's just look for the text for our Mother's Day. Okay, so I think I can go here with this one. All right, so this is looking fine. Okay, so let's write down happy Mother's Day. Okay, so this is looking fine now. Now what I need to do, I have to decrease the size of our font here. We can simply go inside the effects here. So in the effects, I will actually like to have the curve here. Okay, so let's click on the curve, and you can see that we have the curve. So let's just have the curve for the Mother's Day as well. All right, so this is looking fine. Now what we need to do, let's just increase the size. And all right, so we can align this here. This is looking fine now, but we can simply change the color of the text from here. So this would be maybe this color, or okay, so I think the black color was looking more prominent, and we also have this color. So let's just change it from here. So this would be the black color as well, okay, because this is looking really prominent here. And now what we can do, if we want to add the elements here, you can simply add it. So for that, you simply go inside the elements here, and here what you can do, let's just search for decoration, and we will have these elements here. So let's just go here with this one, put this here, and we can also go here with this one as well. Let's just put it here. Okay, so now this is looking really great here, and what we can do here, let's just go here with this one. We can put this here. Let's just give it a rotation, maybe this one, and we can simply put it here. All right, now this is looking great. Okay, so this is how we can design the SVG here. So let's try to design the last one here. So this would be about the strong woman. Okay, so here let's just search for strong women here. Okay, so I think we can go here with this one. You can simply put it here, and we can have this text, I am strong. Okay, so we can simply change the color of it that could match with our this element. All right, so let's just click here and select the color. Okay, so the first one is actually the black color. So after that we have this color. So let's go back and select the color. Okay, so we have this color, and after that we have the orange color. All right, so let's select the orange color here, and in the last, so let's click here, we have this color, a light orange color. So let's select this, and this is it. Okay, so I can put this here, I can align this here. So whatever you want to do here, this is how we can create the SVG. So let me increase the size of the text here. Okay, so put it here, align the text after the image here. Okay, so this is how we can create the SVG. And if you want to decorate it more, or if you want to design it properly, you can simply do it. It's all up to you how you want to design it. So after creating the design, how can we export this as the SVG? Okay, so for that, let's just click on the share button here, and here you can see the option of the download. So let's select this, and here in the file tab, let's just click here, and you will be able to see the option of SVG here. Okay, so we use the SVG for the web design and the animations. Okay, and you have to remember that if you want to export this in SVG, you would need to have the subscription of the Canva Pro. Okay, so if you don't have the subscription of Canva Pro, you won't be able to export this in SVG. Okay, so let's select this, and you have to select on the transparent background, and we have these 3 pages. So I want to export all of these pages. Okay, so let's just click here on the download. Okay, so we have downloaded the SVG here. So let's just click here and click on the happy friendship, since we have the 3 different SVG here. So let's just open any one from here, and now you can see this, we have this SVG image here. So if you want to open up another SVG, now you can see this, we have this SVG here. And if you can have a look at the last one, you will be able to see we have this beautiful looking SVG here. So this is how you can export the SVG in Canva. So this is all for this video. If you really find this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.